First vlog on the Sony.
Hi guys.
Dude, thank you. You
Yeah,
came through. We got a camera.
I'm
the
just glad
vlog,
I could get it to you.
The vlog is gonna live. It was super cool. We were like riding on top of the truck because there's like long rows and nobody around for anywhere. And you know that spot that has the like the rocket ship things? Yeah. We like stopped there and just got mauled by mosquitoes. Oh, the mosquitoes! They're terrible. They're all over me. Ah!
It was like snow when I drove through.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Yeah. I see your hood. Look at this thing. Look at this thing.
So.
Oh! I mean, I was running my windshield wipers.
I don't know.
You got a big one.
Oh, mama.
Yeah. See, mine's not as bad.
He just got robbed, man.
Did you know what he took? Did he tell you?
You're 5D4, right?
5D4 freaking
Phantom?
My Phantom 4 Pro, the Canon like Series 2 lenses, the external hard drives.
People suck.
So we called the store that was right next to the truck.
Yeah.
And they said that it was like 3 a.m. We got there at like 3:15. And the guy walked back and forth like 4 or 5 times, kept looking in.
He was on a skateboard.
On a skateboard.
I never caught him.
To make matters even worse, they got into the Snowmaster and stole our booze. Just like the one comfort measure.
You know, I keep juice boxes in my Snowmaster because I don't drink.
That's probably.
That would have pissed me off, man.
Yeah, sure.
That's my orange lava burst, bro. If we get halfway down the trail, it's about 4.5 hour trail all the way to Wendover, maybe a little longer.
Dang.
Yeah, but that'll get us all the way to the Salt Flats.
What? It's a bat.
It's a friggin' wombat.
It doesn't sound like a bat.
Honey badger don't care. So we can
like
get halfway down the trail, and that'll get us a decent spot to camp. There's an area or a place called Zakistan.
This has got electronic zoom.
It's got electronic zoom on it.
Oh, what? I'm sitting here like moving this thing.
You got the lens hood, so just nobody needs these. Where's the?
This is fancy, dude. This is fancy.
Are you recording? Hello world.
Yeah.
The Golden Spike isn't even here. It's in California.
We saw it. It was a piece of wood.
This is a chunk of wood. So where's the spike? Where's the gold?
Yeah, I want the gold.
We're here for the gold.
Yeah.
The golden spike's not actually here?
No, it's in Stanford.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, because the family that owned the railroad is California-based.
Oh, they actually took the spike and took
the spike itself is in
okay.
California.
It makes sense.
But
I
the
thought
location is here.
Would have stolen it.
May or March 10th, one of the M months. On the 10th is when they met here.
Interesting. Super cool. All right. Well, I say we hit the trail.
Yeah.
And
we already been up 24 hours.
Yeah, we just go.
Keep that rolling.
Yeah, we're good. Well, what do you say? Let's hit the road.
Yeah. Do it.
Let's hit the trail. Oh, this is gonna be scenic.
Yeah.
I gotta pee. Come with me.
Why would we come with you, Pico P?
Road from blah 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 until 42.
Kelton, the city of Kelton that died after the railroad was pulled up in World War I or II?
1942.
World War II. Like a haunted episode of Ghost Hunters.
So, yeah, this is a ghost.
What was that? What's that over there?
Yeah, that one's been marked. 1873.
Oh, yeah, dude. 1873. crazy. The Earth's just taking it back. Do you guys want to dig up a body tonight?
It's bad.
Wooden headstones. One has nails in it. It used to have something built on top of it.
This must be in.
You said that's wood?
Maybe this is the. How do the graves?
Luke, tell me what you're doing to the little bunnies.
How do the graves
They
last?
dart in front of us constantly. The bunnies, the
I
mice.
say, get out of the way, and they run right.
He honks at them.
You've killed 4 rabbits.
I think when you honk, they just stop.
No, we can't tell his wife though.
Yeah.
Oh. Well, it's accidental. It's not like you're trying to hit him.
Well,
Luke used to get so creeped out.
It's like caved in. Is that eerie?
Yeah, dude, that's creepy. Probably
I want nothing to do with that.
you know what probably happened? They were in a coffin and it finally collapsed and the ground fell in.
Yeah.
So they're probably not that deep.
crushed them.
Probably not that deep. Creepy, creepy, creepy. I want to know what the ghost stories are out here. That there looks like a...
It's still red. That's nobody buried here.
That's a humorous.
Oh, this would be a good spot to base.
I don't feel safe anymore.
I knew that was coming too.
You jumped pretty good.
Oh yeah, man, I got some PTSD. Anyways, or not.
I got PTSD.
PTSD from what?
The National Guard.
The National Guard scarred me.
Yeah, from your computer.
Oh man, I saved
Sit in front of your computer.
saved so many digital lives.
We're just in the middle of nowhere, driving through the dusty roads. This is super fun.
Go pretty quick.
There's so many moths. Jeez, they just keep hitting you.
You gotta get in here. Get in here.
So gross.
Oh, dude, it's just unreal. They're everywhere. It's hard to pick it up on a camera, but they're just freaking everywhere.
Oh,
Swarming.
they're feeding off the guts of other bugs. Gross! You guys are gross! Get out of here! Those are your friends! It's disgusting!
How could you do this to your friends?
It's so gross!
This is a full-on swarm. This is absolutely disgusting. Just any light, they just attack it. You just get. Just
I'm
go.
afraid to hold my mouth open.
Don't open your mouth.
Okay, I got him, dude.
What?
Oh.
Dude, do you think it has anything to do with all the bodies? They're ghosts!
Okay, I gotta be fast. You ready to be fast, dude? What is be fast?
Justin, you ready to live with moths for the next 2
All our windows are down.
Yeah. Shoot.
Yeah, don't mind the light.
We go to the. What was I saying?
You go to sun tunnels.
The sun tunnel.
So we're going to the sun tunnels right now. But every year, we as a group here in Utah, it's called Expedition Utah. We get together and we go out there and we call it Freeze Your Tail Off because we go for the winter solstice.
Oh.
And it's usually like 10 below. And this we'll drive through here and this is ice.
Oh,
This whole area.
that sounds
It's
awesome.
awesome.
He just leaves your door wide open.
Bugs and dust.
Hey, welcome, bugs.
It's all good.
Walk.
I got it.
Come on in.
I'm a back gas.
In the 70s, her and her husband were land artists.
Land artists.
She installed these so the holes that are drilled in them align with constellations.
Oh, okay.
And then these align with the solstice, summer and winter.
These guys were like, that's it? Tunnels?
The Milky Way's out. It's in perfect roundness.
Roundness.
Do you think you could pick up star photos on this thing?
100%.
Oh, let's
Really?
try
Dude, you
it.
gotta show me how, because I've never been able to do
it's
that.
only an f4 on that lens, but
Yeah.
I have
Crank the shutter.
an f2 you could use,
Be sweet.
but it'll be narrower because mine's a full frame 28 mil.
Yeah.
So times 1.7, you're at like 35 mil there.
Okay. Well, we can try that out. Off
So
one speed.
what shot are you at now?
15 seconds.
15 seconds. That's a good while.
15 seconds, ISO 2000,
2000, okay.
and we got
2.8?
dust in the air. 2.0.
Oh, nice.
So we'll just...
2.0.
All right, so we're doing some long exposure shots. That's right. All right. I'm hoping I can interject them into the vlog because I know that I'm not going to be able to capture this glorious.
So go ahead and stand behind me here, and then you light paint your truck in.